Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies notifications from the three different university. So out of the three universities, two are the private university and one is the government national college guys. And here PG plus UGSNet as well as for the PhD candidates. So for all these three different categories here the vacancies are there. So here in out of the three universities, one university that is the government university is offering for only PG candidates 35,000 rupees per month guys. So please check this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the notifications. And after watching this, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGSNet preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Content of the video, here the first one we are going to see the Christ deemed to be university from Bangalore. So in this one, applications are invited for the faculty positions from eligible candidates at the level of professor, associate and assistant professor. So here the publication date is 20th May 2021. So it has the campuses in Bangalore, Pune and Delhi. It has the following schools and the departments. So here the School of Sciences, Physics, Chemistry, Statistics, Computer Science, Life Science, and the School of Engineering and Technology, Electronics and Communication, Computer Science, Electrical and Electronics. And in the Arts and Humanities, English, Media Studies, Performing Arts, Theatre and Music. And coming to the School of Social Science, Economics, Psychology, International Studies, Political Science and History, Sociology and Social Work. And in School of Commerce, Finance and Accountancy, and the School of Business and Management, Law, Architecture and Education. So applications are invited for faculty positions from the eligible candidates at the level of these things from all the departments and from all the three campuses. And the candidates with the required qualification and experience as per the UGC, AICTE, NCTE, okay, applicable to universities with strong research background. Okay, and here the universities, the minimum eligibility for the regulations as per the respective statutory body. For the assistant professor also PhD required, and for associate professor also PhD is required. But while coming to the associate professor, minimum 10 years of post PhD experience must be there, and the 7 publications guys. And coming to the professor, okay, you may check down. So pay scale as per the UGC norms, okay, and as per the university regulations, work days, leave and vacation will be there. If you want to apply, then you may click here. It will be directed to the online application form of this Christ University guys, okay. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. If you are having the PhD, then only apply guys. Otherwise, you need not to waste your time by looking at this one. And coming to the next one is the WB National University of Judicial Sciences from Kolkata. So from this one here, the advertisement for the position of guest faculty for teaching psychology as well as the linguistic guys, and it is the notification regarding that one. And you may check down in this notification guys. So applications are invited for the position of guest faculty in the psychology as well as the linguistics. And the qualification required is a master's degree with minimum 55% of marks. Apply for the position. So no need of UGSNet, no need of PhD, and application of plain paper with passport size photograph along with the curriculum, curriculum vitae, and copies of all the mark sheets and degrees would be addressed to. Here the address is also given, and the last date of application is 24th May 2021. And the guest faculty will be paid a consolidated remuneration of 35,000 rupees per month. The terms of engagement will be for 1 year initially and may be renewed further at the discretion of university authorities. Fine. And I will provide this official website link guys, okay. And coming to the next, the third one is CEPT University. So in this university here, the invites the application for the positions of assistant manager. I will zoom this one. Yeah, you may check down assistant manager, senior executive for finance account office at CEPT University. Okay, and roles and responsibilities, bill passing and accountancy. Yeah, just a minute guys. So bill passing and accountancy with correct account code, okay, manage all the accounts, okay, and these are all the roles and responsibilities. Academic qualification, CA, MBA in finance and BCom master's degree in commerce, accounting, finance or related fields with at least 55% of or else equivalent grade. In case of CA or MBA finance, minimum 4 years of professional experience must be there. In case of BCom or MCom or related field, minimum 7 years of professional experience must be there. And the expertise required in this software, guys, accounting software, Tally, SAP, JD or any other modern software, and working skills of MS Office and accounting equipment. Okay, and how to apply means here the Google form is there. Okay, no fee for this one. Okay, you have to simply fill up the Google form and also email the following documents, resume, okay, and the emoluments and all these things to the jobs at cepd.ac.in. And the last date is 26 May 2021. The salary and benefits will match the best practices. And interested candidates may also submit their applications through their dean or the HODs. Fine. So total these are the 3 different universities, guys. So if you are having the post graduation with some little bit experience, then you may apply for the CEPT university, okay, regarding the accounts. And while coming to the, if you belongs to psychology as well as a linguistic with only post graduation, you may apply for this NUJS. And if you are having the PhD in these departments, then you may apply for this Christ University, guys. Okay. And I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, so you may find out. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.